Welcome to the Smartplay Studio tutorial series. In this video, we will show you the exclusive features of the Suzuki Smartplay Studio app. When you open the app, the first thing you have to do is download all the supporting apps. The download prompt will be present on the home screen. Once downloaded, we can use these apps on the infotainment system. You have to connect your phone via USB to access Navi Maps. From the home screen of the infotainment system, tap the Smartplay Studio icon. Then tap the navigation icon and confirm to continue. You can now access Navi Maps on the infotainment system. To access AHA Radio, ensure that the phone is connected via Bluetooth for music profile. Tap the Hub shortcut and select AHA Radio. AHA Radio lets you discover music, news and sports. Add favorite stations and access them with just a touch. Know nearby food outlets with Zomato and navigate to them. And check the weather. You can also download content on your smartphone and access them on the device even if there's no network. The Smartplay Studio app on your smartphone also acts as a remote. It mirrors the functions of the infotainment system, allowing co-passengers to operate the system. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and drive safe.